friends, welcome back if you've been here before. If you haven't, welcome. Hello, my name is Fiorella and I am a stylist, and what I'm doing in this video is showing you what our new starter kit looks like. So like I said, I am currently a stylist, so this is something that the company actually sent to me, all of the marketing materials, and then I already have the jewelry and the accessories that I'm going to show you. But the reason why I want to show it to you is because this is brand new. So when I signed up like 2.5 years ago, it was different. Like, you signed up, you got a certain amount of credit, and then you order whatever you wanted. Now what they've done is something super smart. Is the company has put together our best sellers, and that is basically what you get when you sign up. It's a great deal, and I'm gonna just walk through that and show you what is in the box. I actually kind of opened the box already, so I'm not fumbling through too much. And if you're completely confused and you're like, what is this Stella and what? So what Stella and Dot is a company that specializes in accessories. So we started with jewelry, we also have some bags, and now we have clothing. So I would say is a lifestyle company, and it has a lot of really cute pieces. The products are sold in person or online by independent stylists like myself. So yeah, I'll tell you a little bit more as we go along. So let me show you. So when you sign up during the month of June, what you get is you get two things. One thing is your marketing materials, and they're in here, so we're going to open them up. And then another thing is a gigantic box with stuff in it. So we're going to go through that as well. So let's go through the marketing materials real quick, just to give you an idea. So when you get it, so cute. It has a message here. I don't know if you can see it. It says, welcome. It's so nice to meet you. Stella and Dot style. And you're going to get some great tools. Here, this is just a little bit about the company and the mission. Look great, feel great, which, you know, is one of our sayings. Then there's a cute little bag. This can kind of be like a gift bag. I actually have a couple of these, and what I use them for is when I do parties at home. I usually like do little giveaways, and I will put the little tickets in there, or sometimes I've used them to put a little gift together for one of my hostesses. You also get this little covet book, which is our genuine diamonds and leather bags line. So like the more upscale line, you get some order forms because we love technology, and you can literally do this business from your phone. But if your phone dies, here you go. And then you get some of these little pamphlets. This has just a little bit of information about the company and rewards and this and that. And then, I'm trying to move quickly because I don't want this to last forever, because I know you guys are busy. And then you get 2 packs of catalogs. This, for example, is our spring catalog, and this is our summer catalog, but they're both current right now. So you get those included, which is great because, you know, later on you do get some credits to order some, but otherwise you have to pay to order some, so you're getting a bunch for free. To start, this is a really cute little sign. You can actually pull this out and it can stand on a table. And then you have a little folder. Everything is like super cute. I mean, if you guys like cute stuff, you would love all this. And then your stylist success guide, which is going to walk you through, you know, all the technical steps and, you know, how to do things basically, and how to have a successful business. So that is basically your business in a box. We're going to move this out of the way so I can show you the good stuff, because I know catalogs are great and all that, but you're here to see the goods, right? So I will show you. Now, I would say the first thing that I'm going to show you is what I'm wearing. This right here is our Carly poncho. Now, you get your choice in sizing, so once you sign up, you're going to be able to go on the website and, you know, pick what size you need. This runs very big. Oh, you just saw a sneak peek. So this, for example, I have mine in an extra small. It's super roomy. I am not an extra small person, but this is very big, so definitely size down when you order it. And what it is a cute, thin material. It's very thin material poncho. It's really soft, and as you can see, is longer in the back. And it's super cute, great seller. This is the rose color. There's also a navy, but the one that you get with the kit is the rose. And then the cool thing is what you can do without messing up my hair is you can turn it into like a little shrug. So that is super cute, super versatile. Is one of our best sellers right now, and actually since it came out. And then here you can wear it like off the shoulder like that, you know, or you can just wear it regular, like higher, lower, just however you want. I think it's cute if you kind of do like off the shoulder. So that's my favorite way to wear it. So you get that, and then with your kit you also get this amazing bag. Now I don't remember all the names right now because it's kind of late at night when I'm filming this, but I remember now. It's called the Everyday Neoprene Tote. Yes, and it's a cute tote. It's black and it has this cream color going across the straps. It has a zipper so that you're going to be able to, you know, close all your stuff. Mine is a little twisted. And so see, you can close it. It has this little snaps on the side so you can go ahead and, you know, snap it up and close it a little bit more, and it actually stands on its own. This is a great everyday bag. You can use it for the pool, you can use it for work, you can fit a laptop in here. The interior is, you know, just kind of a blush color, so super fun bag. You're gonna get that with your kit. And then you also get this bag. So if you guys love camo, you totally need to do this. I'll show you real quick. I'm assuming most of you are Stellan Dot fans already, which is why you're watching this. But just in case you're not and you haven't seen this before, let me open it up all the way. This is our Day Tripper bag in the camel print. So it's an expandable bag to give you a little bit more room, and the interior is to die for. It has this cute pattern with flowers. It has pockets. It has a water bottle pocket, all kinds of cool stuff. And then you also get a bunch of jewelry with your kit. And I have most of the items that you would get. There's one bracelet that I don't have, but it is a super cute beaded bracelet that has like rose gold and pearl and some different colors. I don't have that one right now. But one of the pieces you get is this really cute heart necklace. And I'll try to get up close to see if this will focus, but I'll put a link so you can see pictures of all these items. But I just wanted to kind of quickly show you. So this is a necklace that you can wear long like that, or you can double it up, or you can wrap it up and wear it as a bracelet, which is actually my favorite way to wear it. Let me just do it for you. So it would be, you know, like a big beaded bracelet that you can layer up. Then another item you get is, I think this is called Ives, I can't remember, but it's basically a blush leather beaded bracelet. Sorry, my tongue is like sticking. And this is a wrap bracelet. So if you know Stellan Dot, you probably know some of our other wrap bracelets. Well, this is a newer version, and I think I just put it on backwards, but just to kind of show you, super cute. You're going to get that with your kit. You're going to get a great statement necklace. So this right here, I don't remember the name, but it is a beautiful statement necklace. Mixed metals, you have some white beads, you have some silver, you have some gold, and you can actually detach part of this. I'm not going to do it right now because, like I said, I'm trying to go through this fairly quickly, but just to give you a rough idea without dropping my stuff, like you could basically make 2 necklaces out of this, or if you wanted something that wasn't as big, that could be one, and then you have your white layers over here. Hold on, and now I gotta show you because I started doing it, so now I gotta do it all. If I can without messing this up too much. So you get the idea. You get 2 looks in one. And it's a beautiful, I think it's called a Sullivan, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. So that is a statement necklace that you're going to get with your kit, which, you know, that's great. You can wear that. I love wearing graphic tees with a statement necklace, or you can wear, you know, a dress or something a little bit fancier. Then you get this silver, I almost said gold, pendant necklace. And along with that, that's part of one of our collections that has a bunch of charms. You're going to get the little heart charm. You're not going to get another chain, but you are going to get this little charm. Now, just to show you, again, you would only get the heart, but you can, you know, buy more stuff at a discount when you become a stylist. I made it into the word amor, which is love in Spanish, just to kind of show you your options. You're going to get a few more bracelets. You get this little colorful beaded bracelet. This is one of our pulley bracelets that you can adjust. Then you get this other cute silver bracelet. You're going to get one of our bangles. It's going to be personalized. I can't remember what it says on it, but on the details that I'm going to put here at the bottom, you'll be able to see what it's going to be engraved with. You're going to get these super fun earrings, which are actually 2-in-1 because you can take this part off and wear just a little marble stud, which is adorable. You are going to get this necklace right here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's see if I can maneuver with this claws of mine. Okay, I think I just tangled it up, but hold on. Yeah, oh no, I didn't. So it's this pre-layer necklace. So it's 2 layers, and I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to tangle everything up with what I'm wearing. But it's basically 2 layers, and it's in silver. And then you're going to get another pre-layer necklace. And by the way, any of those pre-layer necklaces, you can separate them. So if you just want to wear one piece and not the other, you can totally do that. And then you get the carry necklace. I believe it's also in silver. In the picture, I wasn't sure because the picture was kind of tiny. But I believe you get it in silver, and it's one of our most popular pieces. This is very flattering, and you can separate them and wear just, one or the other or both of them together. And then the other thing that you get are these earrings. Now, I believe you're going to get them in gold. I don't have them in gold to show you. I only have them in silver to show. So these are the heart hoop earrings. And for size reference, I'm wearing just our, regular, like, round hoops. These are a little bit smaller. So they're not going to be like a huge hoop, but they're going to be super cute. I'll put one on just so you can see it. Take out my round hoop. And let's see. There you go. It's very, very cute. So, again, yours, I believe, will be in gold. And then, like I said, I don't have the other bracelet to show you. It's a beaded bracelet that's really pretty, and it has a lot of rose gold tones in it. So, yeah, that is what you get for the month of June when you sign up to be a stylist. And there's a few more details, but I will go ahead and put the cost and everything down in the description box, and I'll put my link. So if you're interested in becoming a stylist, you should totally do it in June because you get all this cool stuff. And if you do become a stylist under my team, then I would be helping you grow your business and teaching you everything that you need to know to have a successful business. Now, I don't do this full time. I work in corporate America full time, so this is kind of like my fun part-time thing, which is great. Most of our stylists actually have a job or do something else outside of Stella and Dodd. So this is not something that you need to do 24/7. This is something that you can add to your life, and I think it has some great benefits, especially because I always have cute stuff around my closet. And I don't know if you noticed, but I do like stuff. So anyway, that is all I wanted to share with you guys tonight or today or whenever you're watching this. It's nighttime for me. And yeah, I'll also leave my contact information down below so that if you have any questions, if you want to just talk to somebody, you can talk to me. And by the way, in case you don't know, I do speak Spanish too. So if you have any questions, if you want to talk to somebody in Spanish, si quieren conversar con alguien acerca de este negocio en español, aquí estoy. I'm right here for you. Okay, guys, thank you again, and I will talk to you later. Bye.